In a cozy little house on Cherry Tree Lane lived Tum the cat and Jerry the brain. Tum had whiskers long and bright, Jerry had eyes that shined at night. Every morning at 2:30, Jerry squeaked, "Good morning to you." Tum would stretch with a lazy yawn, then chase his tail across the lawn. Jerry was clever, quick and small. He could hide in cracks in the wall, behind the clock, or under a chair, inside a shoe or teddy bear. Tum was fluffy, big and proud. He meowed his plans out very loud. "I'll catch you today," he'd always say. But Jerry would giggle and run away, zoom through the kitchen quick as a flash, over the teapot, crash, crash, crash. Floor would puff like snowy air, covering Tum from tail to hair. One sunny day they ran outside, through the garden side by side, over the fence and past the tree, into a field of daisies free. Jerry found a piece of cheese floating gently in the breeze. Tum leaped high with all his might, but landed softly in mud. What a sight! Splish and splash, mud everywhere, on Tum's whiskers and in his hair. Jerry laughed but lent a paw. "Friends don't fight," he said with awe, that made Tum stop and softly think. Maybe chasing made their friendship shrink. Instead of tricks and silly traps, they could share some cozy naps. So they built a tiny tent with blankets bent and poles all bent. They told tall tales of pirate ships and chocolate cakes with rainbow chips. When night came with a twinkling star, they didn't chase, they didn't spar. They shared a cookie, warm and sweet, and tiny drums with tapping feet. From that day on they still would race, but smiles were bright on every face. For Tum and Jerry both could see best friends are the best to be. And if you peek in Cherry Lane, you might just see them once again, not fighting loud or chasing fast, but laughing till the night